Let's talk about what to do when you feel like doing nothing, when everything feels exhausting and you have no energy or motivation to do anything. I know some of you want to hear tips on how to be productive, but when you are feeling unmotivated, the truth is you are in the low state, and the best thing is you can do the opposite of being productive. You have to slow down, be gentle on yourself, give yourself a break, and allow yourself to heal. Don't push yourself to get your life together. Just allow yourself to be. If you are feeling this way, it's likely you have high expectations for yourself and you are frustrated because you haven't been able to show up the way you wanted, or others have high expectations from you, whether it's your parents or people around you. Or maybe you are pushing yourself so hard or taking too much on your plate and burning yourself out. We focus so much on productivity, achievement, external success, and control. All of this makes us feel unmotivated and exhausted. But when we feel this way, it's an indication that we need to slow down, heal, and love ourselves. We have to release the feeling of control, release our expectations on ourselves, and accept ourselves as we are right now. It's both hard and easy at the same time. It can be hard to surrender, but on the other hand, it is easy as all you have to do is let it go. When you feel like doing nothing, let yourself rest. Remove any pressure or do or be anything and give time to yourself. Stop putting any expectations on yourself. Let your body and mind rest and restart. You are burnt out, so rest. Your body is fighting for you. Your immune system is working hard, so you need to slow down. It's time to heal. Give yourself love. Give yourself love regardless of anything. Be kind and gentle with yourself. Accept yourself as you are right now. Don't force yourself. If you are hard on yourself, practice self forgiveness. Shift your focus. We often feel low when we are focusing on wrong or in different direction. When you focus on something which is hard, you feel like giving up because it is such a struggle. Instead of focusing what is going wrong in your life, focus what is going good in your life. Sometimes the answer is right in front of our eyes, but we are always looking in wrong direction. Try journaling exercise. If you write something on a piece of paper, it makes you feel good. Or talk to someone if you feel like. We all need a support system. Our mental health will suffer otherwise. Also, you can consider online therapy as another option. I will give the links in the description. Please check them out if you really want to talk to someone or if you need a therapy. I hope it will help you. Stop consuming content that makes you feel worse. It includes any content you consume. Even positive or inspirational content in your lows can affect you because it reminds you of what you are unable to do right now. Allow yourself to feel whatever you are feeling right now and disconnect yourself from all the social media and all this content for a while and restart yourself, refresh yourself, accept yourself as you are. If you want to feel refreshed, go into nature. Being in nature, it heals you on spiritual level. You are reminded of ease and stillness in nature, that you are just small part of this nature. It does not need to be a major trip. Just take a walk. to the nearest park. Go to the nearest nursery, as plants and flowers have healing energy. Understand life happens in cycle, but change is only constant. The lows and highs are part of life, and it is always going to change and won't remain same. You might be going through tough time right now, but it won't stay same. Stay patient. Perseverance through this season. Ex- Accept every season of your life, even if it's low or high. If you only knew day and never knew night, you will take sun for granted. Same is with our emotions. As we see our lows, so we deeply appreciate our highs. Also, always start with baby steps. Exercise, break down your tasks in chunks, lower your expectations. It's okay to give yourself some time to breathe and heal. Follow your intuition. If it's quiet, it means you should take a break. Just close your eyes and ask yourself what you need right now. Thank you so much for watching. Sending you so much love. See you next time. Bye.